Budgeting and saving money are important skills that can help you reach your goals, and here's how to get started. So first, make a budget. A budget is a plan for how you spend your money. Now, to create one, list all the money you receive, like allowance or gifts, and then write down all your expenses, such as snacks, games, activities. This is going to help you see how much money you have and where it goes. Next, you try to save some money. A good rule is to save at least 10% of what you earn. For example, if you get 10 bucks, you save $1. And now you can try to save it in a bank account. You know, if I were you, I would put it in RSPs, TFSAs, and let it compound. You can keep savings in a piggy bank or a savings account at a bank. But you know, like I said, invest it. Savings account, it doesn't do nothing for you when you keep it there. Look for ways to cutting back spending. Instead of buying snacks every day, you could save that money for something special later. Think about what you really want and prioritize those things. Finally, keep track of your budget each month. This is going to help you see how well you're doing and if you need to make changes with practice. Budgeting and saving can help you buy what you want. Be smart about your money. You know, if you get 7% back off $1,000,000, it's 70,000 a year if you don't touch that million. It'll take 20 years to do if you put away like $220 a week. In 20 years, you don't have to work again. Start now.